Picture this, you've just ordered the most anticipated electric vehicle of the decade, the Tesla Cybertruck. You envision yourself cruising down the motorway, turning heads with its futuristic design, but there's a problem, a big one. You can't legally drive it in the UK. The Cybertruck, Tesla's foray into electric pickup trucks, has been banned in the UK. The reasons? A perfect storm of engineering decisions that clash head-on with UK regulations. From its excessive weight to its razor-sharp edges and non-compliant lighting, the Cybertruck is a rolling testament to how not to build a car for the UK market. Many of these issues also make the Cybertruck illegal in other parts of Europe. So buckle up as we delve into the specific reasons why the Cybertruck is banned in the UK. One of the first things that land the Cybertruck in hot water with UK regulations is its weight. This thing is a beast, tipping the scales at a hefty 6,898 pounds for the base model. The UK has strict weight limits for vehicles, and the Cybertruck gets dangerously close to the 7,700-pound limit for a standard driving license. That weight limit includes passengers and cargo. Load up your Cybertruck with gear and friends, and suddenly, you're exceeding the legal weight limit. This means you'd need a special license to drive a fully loaded Cybertruck, a major inconvenience for most drivers. The Cybertruck's weight also raises safety concerns, particularly in a country with a mix of older, smaller vehicles. So, while the Cybertruck's weight might not be an issue on American roads, it's a major sticking point in the UK. The Cybertruck's design is, to put it mildly, polarizing. Some love its futuristic, angular aesthetic, while others compare it to a geometric nightmare. But aesthetics aside, there's a bigger problem: those sharp edges. The UK has strict rules about pedestrian safety. Protruding parts of a vehicle must have a rounded edge to minimize injuries to pedestrians in case of a collision. The Cybertruck's sharp angles and flat surfaces are a complete no-go for UK roads. Those sharp edges could inflict serious injuries on a pedestrian in a collision. Tesla argues that the Cybertruck's unique exoskeleton design makes rounding them off impossible. But the UK government isn't budging. Safety regulations are there for a reason. You might think that something as simple as headlights wouldn't be a problem for a company like Tesla, but you'd be wrong. The Cybertruck's non-compliant LED light bar throws UK lighting regulations a massive middle finger. The UK has specific rules about the brightness, angle, placement, and color of car lights to ensure optimal visibility and reduce accidents. The Cybertruck's light bar fails to meet these standards. Its brightness, placement, and lack of traditional separate headlights and indicators all fail to meet UK standards. The Cybertruck's lighting system is software-driven, lacking the required backup systems mandated by UK law. Tesla could redesign the lighting system to comply with UK regulations, but that would involve significant structural changes and a hefty price tag. Something Tesla seems unwilling to do for a market where pickup trucks aren't top sellers. The Cybertruck prides itself on its rugged build, boasting a body made from ultra-tough 30X cold-rolled stainless steel. This steel, 3 times tougher than what you'd find in a typical car, is a key part of the Cybertruck's indestructible image. But in the world of automotive safety, sometimes being too tough can be a liability. Modern cars are designed to crumple in a collision to absorb the impact force, reducing the severity of injuries. The Cybertruck, with its ultra-rigid 30X steel exoskeleton, doesn't crumple. Instead of absorbing impact forces, it transfers them, potentially leading to more severe injuries for the occupants in a collision. This rigidity also poses a risk to other vehicles involved in a collision. In a crash with a standard car, the Cybertruck would come out virtually unscathed, transferring the full force of the impact to the other vehicle. While the Cybertruck's tough exterior might appeal to some, its lack of crumple zones raises serious concerns about occupant safety in the UK. The UK, with its charming villages, narrow country lanes, and historic city centers, isn't exactly known for its spacious roads. Maneuvering a large vehicle, even a Range Rover, can be a tight squeeze at times. Now imagine trying to navigate those same roads in a Tesla Cybertruck. At 2.2 meters wide, the Cybertruck is significantly wider than the average car in the UK. This width, combined with its considerable length and hefty weight, would make driving it on many UK roads an exercise in frustration. Forget about parking in those tiny multi-story car parks, or squeezing through narrow country lanes. The Cybertruck's size and power make it a poor fit for the UK's more compact and winding road network. The Tesla Cybertruck's ban in the UK is a stark reminder that even the most innovative and ambitious automotive designs must adhere to the realities of safety regulations and market demands. It's a cautionary tale of automotive hubris, where a singular focus on design and technology overshadowed the practicalities of bringing a vehicle to market in a region with different standards and driving conditions. While Tesla might have envisioned the Cybertruck as a global game-changer, its UK failure highlights the importance of understanding and adapting to local regulations and market needs. The Cybertruck's demise in the UK is a blow to Tesla's European expansion plans and a missed opportunity in the growing EV market. For automakers, it underscores the importance of designing vehicles that meet global safety standards and cater to diverse driving environments. For consumers, it highlights the need to look beyond the hype and consider the practical implications of owning a vehicle that might not be fit for purpose in their region. And as for the Cybertruck itself, well, it can always try its luck elsewhere. Maybe on the moon, where those sharp edges and questionable lighting won't be a problem.